Picking a sewing machine should make your projects easier, not more complicated. The best model for you depends on what you actually sew: quick repairs, garments, heavy fabrics, or big quilts. In this video, we're counting down the top 6 sewing machines to consider for 2026, from a simple beginner pick to high-end machines built for quilting and long sessions. For each one, I'll cover the details that change your results: stitch options, maximum speed, included feet, workspace, and the small drawbacks you only notice later. Links to every machine mentioned are in the description below so you can compare quickly. Number 6. Brother XM2701. If you want a dependable starter machine that keeps the learning curve low, the Brother XM2701 is a solid place to begin. It's a mechanical machine with 27 built-in stitches and one-step buttonhole, so you get the essentials without a screen full of menus. It also tops out at 800 stitches per minute, which is quick enough for hemming pants, simple garments, and home basics like pillowcases. The XM2701 is built around beginner-friendly convenience: an automatic needle threader, a top drop-in, quick-set bobbin you can see through the clear cover, and a brightly lit LED work area. Brother includes 6 snap-on feet, buttonhole, zipper, zigzag, narrow hemmer, blind stitch, and button sewing, so you can try a few techniques right out of the box. Stitch width goes up to 5 mm and stitch length up to 4 mm. It even comes with a darning plate for basic free motion style mending and repairs. The trade-off is control. There's no speed slider or start-stop button, so everything is pedal-driven, and you'll rely on manual tension. If you're the type who wants to set the speed and relax, that's not this machine. But for the price, the 12.6-pound body, and compact dimensions that fit on small tables, it's a friendly first machine that doesn't punish you for being new. Number 5. Singer Heavy Duty 4452. When your projects lean into thicker fabrics, denim hems, canvas bags, home decor layers, the Singer Heavy Duty 4452 is built for that job. This is a mechanical machine with a high-performance motor that can sew up to 200 stitches per minute, so it's noticeably faster than many home machines. It comes with 32 built-in stitches, including basic, stretch, and decorative options, plus a one-step buttonhole. You also get a built-in needle threader, which helps when you're swapping thread colors often. What makes the 4452 popular is the feel: a metal frame for stability, a stainless steel bed plate so fabric slides smoothly, and the kind of speed that turns long seams into a quick task. It's also known for the accessory bundle, and the highlights are the walking foot for even feeding, a non-stick foot for sticky surfaces, and a clearance plate for thicker seams. Those 3 extras can make a big difference when you're stacking layers, top stitching, or sewing over bulky intersections. Stitch length and stitch width are adjusted with front dials, so you can fine-tune a hem, shorten a zigzag, or widen a satin stitch in seconds. Here's the catch: heavy duty doesn't mean industrial. You still need to help the machine by using the right needle, slowing down over thick cross seams, and not forcing fabric through. It can get loud at top speed, and stitch variety is limited compared to computerized machines with huge libraries. But if your priority is power, speed, and reliable feeding on everyday tough fabrics, the 4452 earns its spot. Number 4. Brother CS7000X. If you want a machine that can grow with you, especially if quilting is even a maybe on your list, the Brother CS7000X hits a rare balance of features and ease of use. It's computerized, but it doesn't feel intimidating. You get 70 built-in stitches and 7 one-step buttonholes, and the maximum speed is 750 stitches per minute. That's not the fastest on this list, but it's very controllable, and you can dial it back with the speed control slider. The CS7000X shines because of what's in the box. Brother includes a wide table and 10 presser feet, including a walking foot, a 1/4 piecing foot, and a quilting foot, plus a quilt guide. It also has a free arm for cuffs and sleeves, and an automatic drop feed function, which helps when you want to do free motion work. You get an LCD screen that shows your stitch choice, and your stitch width and length can be adjusted up to 7 mm wide and 5 mm long. A hard protective cover is included too, which is great if you store your machine between projects or take it to a class. This machine is also light, about 10.5 pounds, so it's easy to store and bring out when you need it. The compromise is that lighter machines can vibrate more when you push the speed, and many people add a desk lamp if they sew at night. Still, if you want a friendly computerized machine that supports both garments and quilts without a steep learning curve, the CS7000X is a strong value. Number 3. Brother XR9550. The Brother XR9550 is the step-up option for people who know they'll stick with sewing and want more creative range. It offers 165 built-in stitches, 8 one-step buttonholes, and 55 alphanumeric stitches for simple labels and monograms. In reviews that measure speed, it's often listed around 850 stitches per minute, and it also includes a speed control slider so you can slow things down for tricky corners, top stitching, and zippers. What makes the XR9550 feel higher tier than the CS7000X is the stitch library and the included extras. You get a wide table for larger projects and a hard protective cover for storage and transport, which matters if you don't want dust in your machine or you bring it to classes. The machine also has needle up-down control, which sounds small, but it's a big deal when you're pivoting corners or quilting and want the needle to stop exactly where you left it. There's also an upper thread sensor to warn you if the top thread breaks or runs out, which can save a project when you're sewing long seams. It keeps the same user-friendly setup that makes Brother machines easy to recommend. An advanced needle threader, a jam-resistant top drop-in bobbin, and 8 quick-change presser feet for common tasks like buttonholes, zippers, overcasting, blind hems, monogramming, and quilting. The downside is simple. There's a lot here. If you're brand new, you may not use the decorative stitches at first. But if you want one machine that can handle garments, crafts, and quilts for years, the XR9550 is a smart move. Number 2. Janome Continental M8 Professional. If your sewing table is starting to feel small, or you're doing quilts that constantly tug and drag, the Janome Continental M8 Professional is built to give you space, speed, and a more studio feel at home. This is a high-end machine with 450 built-in, stitches up to 9mm wide, and a maximum sewing speed of 1/300 stitches per minute. The headline feature is the work area, about 13.7 inches to the right of the needle, which makes a full quilt sandwich feel far less cramped. The M8 is loaded with convenience features that matter when you sew for long stretches: a large 7 touchscreen, a speed slider, a 1-touch automatic thread cutter, and an automatic presser foot lift that can raise the foot at stops so you can reposition fabric quickly. It also includes Janome's accurate stitch regulator system for controlled free-motion quilting, plus design tools like scaling, mirroring, and editing so you can tweak decorative stitches for borders and top stitching. This machine is not grab it and go. It's heavy, around 38 pounds, and it's priced like a serious tool, not a casual hobby purchase. But if quilting and precision piecing are a big part of your sewing life, the huge workspace, regulated stitching support, and fast, steady motor can genuinely change how smooth big projects feel. Number 1. Bernina 770 QE+. For a top-of-the-list machine that's designed to handle big quilts, detailed sewing, and long sessions without feeling like a compromise, the Bernina 770 QE+ takes the number 1 spot. It's built around comfort and control, with about 10 inches of space to the right of the needle and a maximum speed of 1,000 stitches per minute. It supports 9mm stitch width, which is helpful for bold decorative stitches, thicker threads, and wider quilting patterns. The QE focus shows up in features that make quilting smoother. There's built-in dual feed to help guide layers evenly, and the machine is compatible with stitch regulation for keeping free-motion stitches consistent. The jumbo bobbin holds about 70% more thread than a standard bobbin, and a lower thread sensor warns you when you're close to the end, so you're less likely to run out mid-line in the middle of a border or a long seam. The controls are designed for precision too, with a large color touchscreen and fine adjustment buttons that let you change length, width, and needle position without losing your rhythm. The drawbacks are price and size. It's not the kind of machine you buy just to try sewing, and it's not the kind you toss in a closet after every project. But if quilting and garment sewing are a serious hobby or part of your work, the 770 QE+ is the kind of upgrade that makes long projects feel less tiring and more enjoyable. So that wraps up our list of the top 6 sewing machines to check out for 2026. If this video helped you narrow things down, please give it a like and let me know in the comments which machine you're leaning toward and what you sew most often: garments, quilting, repairs, or something else. Don't forget, all the product links are in the description below. If you don't want to miss future videos, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.